Hello and welcome to the Gentle Manual. Today we will talk about the art of being Sigma. Sigma males are a new breed of men who reject traditional societal norms and carve their own path in life. They are confident, independent, and non-conventional, but what exactly does it mean to be a Sigma male? First and foremost, being a Sigma male means embracing your unique identity and not conforming to what society deems as the norm. It's about being true to yourself and not letting anyone else dictate your choices or decisions. To embrace your Sigma side, it's important to have a strong sense of self-awareness and self-reliance. This means being confident in your abilities and not relying on others for validation or approval. It also means not being afraid to go against the grain and do things your own way. Another key aspect of being a Sigma male is embracing your independence. This means being self-sufficient and not being afraid to pursue your passions and interests, even if they don't align with what others may consider as normal. But being a Sigma male isn't just about breaking free from societal norms, it's also about being kind, compassionate, and understanding towards others. It's about finding a balance between your individuality and your relationships with others. So, in conclusion, the art of being Sigma is about discovering your authentic self and embracing your unique identity, strengths, and qualities. It's about breaking free from societal norms and being true to yourself, while also being kind and understanding towards others. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the concept of being a Sigma male. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on self-discovery and personal growth. See you later, cowboys.